Welcome to New World. In this video we are going to see top 10 future ways how to make money online, best for 2020. For any of these ideas to work, you will need to complete one key step, which is to believe it is possible for you to earn more money online in 2020. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is by far the best way for anyone to make money online. It doesn't require you creating any products or dealing with delivery or customer service. The product owner does all the hard work before and after sales, and all you do is drive traffic to it and earn commissions from sales. In most cases, the author goes as far as providing the promotions materials, banners, PPC keywords, articles, etc., for affiliates to simply copy and paste. Though this seems to be a quick way to make a penny, it's rather very tricky and requires some skills. Some traditional ways of doing affiliate marketing have lost their momentum. Doing article marketing or posting banners on your site, for instance, may not generate required results. 2. Release a digital product. One of the ways I started making money online was by creating a platform for bloggers. Before I sold out the platform in 2012, it had generated over $14K within a year in profit. Since then, I have created several other digital products, and most of my earnings online have come from the sales generated by my products. Most people think they have to be experts in the industry to author a product. That's not correct. All you need is a profitable idea. The next step will be to hire writers or coders on platforms like Upwork, Freelancers, etc. Put your brain to work. Come up with a money-making idea. You can be an author of the next hot ebook or software that generates income while you are on holidays. 3. Web designer. If you are a computer geek or know how to code, here is another great opportunity for you. After becoming a freelance web designer, you can easily earn $1,000 plus a month. On the other hand, if you don't know how to code or how to design a website, you can still learn to create a website using many software available in the market. WordPress is the best and foremost example. You can create beautiful using WordPress and its classic themes. You just need to spend a few weeks on the internet to learn how to create a WordPress website, and you can easily start making WordPress websites. 4. Music and audio. Here is another way to make money on the internet using your musical talent. If you are good in any kind of music activity, you can sell your services online and get paid for that. Whether you can sing a song or just record a voiceover, you can easily earn money online with your talent. You can compose music, mixing and mastering, singing or songwriting, record podcasts or spoken word editing, jingles and drops, sound effects, voiceover recording, etc. If you are a music lover or record videos and audios for fun, you can use this hobby to earn some extra cash using platforms like Fiverr. Any talent should not be wasted, and you should obey whatever you have. So start finding what's inside you and put in effort to start your online earning journey. 5. Graphic designer. Graphic designing is not as complicated as it looks like because of its name. It basically means editing the images. There are many ways to edit images for different purposes. You can sell your graphic designing services at a good price if you can create beautiful images using different software. As we all know how cool and funny to create images for our social media accounts. We all do this for fun. So why would you turn this fun activity into a source of income? You can use various software like Canva or Pixar to create meaningful images. Moreover, you can also use Adobe Photoshop to make more professional and original images. Photoshop has much more intense features. However, a newbie could be confused by its complexity, so they can use smaller software to start with. As you will need to move towards advanced features, you can then move towards Photoshop too. You have many options to work. You can start with logo design, illustrations, books and album covers, web and mobile design, social media covers, banner ads, Photoshop editing, infographic design, presentation design, etc. 6. Business assistant. You can call it business assistant or virtual assistant. It is also a handy job to do online. Here you can earn from $20 to $100 per hour according to job requirement and your skills. Many people work as a virtual assistant for companies and clients. Here you need to complete their day-to-day task so that their business requirements can be fulfilled. You can easily become a virtual assistant to work for data entry, email management, social media management, market research, business plans, branding services, legal consulting, financial consulting, business tips, presentations, etc. Becoming a virtual assistant is not a bad idea to earn money online without wasting any more money. You just need to create a portfolio and start approaching clients. There are many tiny jobs for which people are finding you. 7. Make money using Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Have you ever heard about making money online through these social networking sites? It is completely possible to make money using these social networking platforms, as many of using these sites personally. If you have a huge number of followers for any specific reason, for example, many fashion stylists regularly share photos and content related to trending fashion. That's why thousands of people started to follow them. If you have the same situation like this and you have a fan following of a few thousand people, you can earn money here by sponsored posts, sponsored stories, sell your own products, sell your photos, affiliate marketing, influencer promotion and reviews, etc. As you know, Facebook has a user base of billions of people. You can easily create on any topic there. Post on your page regularly and you can easily earn money by paid posts. Instagram is also the most popular photo sharing platform. Many Instagram users increase their followers by regular updating their content. After that, they can easily post sponsored content on their account. I hope you have got some ideas to make money online. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.